Hi everyone, it's Dennis here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about SQL basics for beginners. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the most important syntax you will have to know and we have to master as a beginner. So let's dive in. So on the screen here, I have the select statement, the from statement, the where clause, the group by, and the other by. And I'll tell you boldly that no matter what you do, make sure you have solid foundations in this key concept. Yes, so let's start with the select statement. So the select statement simply means the columns you want to retrieve data from. Yes, so select. Now what do you want from the given table? Okay, already we have a table that we want to work with. Now what do you want to bring out from this table? Yes, so the select statement gives you the opportunity to write what you want to bring out from your table. So okay, let's say we want everything. So asterisk means everything. Whenever you say asterisk in SQL, just know that it means bring out everything for me. So now from, now this from simply means that it is used to specify the table from which you want to retrieve data. So now I said I want everything. Now what I said I want, where did we store it? On our database. So that's where our table comes in. So the from tells you that okay, bring out this information from so and so. So you have to write the title of your table here. So the title of our table is ABC employees. You see, so that's it on the select and the from. Remember, select what everything you want, you write them here. See, now you can see the list of all the columns that the SQL will bring out if I should execute this. So and then the from is the table you want to bring out everything you want. So now let's run this and see. You can use your F5 key to execute your queries. Yes, so remember I said I want everything, so this is everything on our table. Now again, stay on the select and the from. Both of them work hand in hand. So select. Now let's say we want to bring out from. Now let's say we want to bring out the first name, last name, salary, and department. That's just what we want. So first name, last name, department, and salary. So let's run this and see. So we are saying we want the first name of our employee, the last name, their department, and the salaries. So let's run this and see. Yes, so this is it, guys. So remember, the select statement simply means what you want or the columns you want. Then the from is from which table. Yes, so that's it. So the next on our table is the where clause. So now the where clause is a super helpful tool because it is used to filter data to a specific condition. Now let's say okay, we have list of employees in our company, and then I was asked to bring out all the names of our employees, but only those with 50k salary and above. So we want to bring out everybody that earns more than 50k or 50k and above. Yes, so that's what the where clause does for you. The where clause helps you to filter your data. Yes, so let's see what we can do with the where clause. So again, select. Okay, let's see everything from yeah. Now where salary is greater than 50,000. 1, 2, 3. Now bring out everything from our table where our salary is greater than 50,000 naira. So everybody that earns above 50k. So let's run that and see. Yes, so wow, they are much. Okay, so guys, now again select okay, everything from ABC employees where department equal to sales. Now let's see something here. When I use the salary column, I didn't add quote here and here because this is an integer. See, but here, because I'm working with department, which is a string, I'm using this quote. So always remember to add this quote after your equal to sign. So now what we are saying here is that we want everything from our table, but only those that works with sales department. Yes, so your boss asks you to bring out all the employees from sales department, so you can use the where clause to bring out that information. So let's run it and see. Yes, so we have 4 employees from the sales department. So guys, that's it. Okay, now let's work with the or and the and we also work with the wildcard, and these 3 works with the where clause. So let's work on those ones and see. So select okay, everything from ABC where first name is equal to John or department equal to, okay, let's use marketing. So now we are saying bring out everything where the first name is John or the department is marketing. So let's say you're trying to bring out the names of probably some of your employees, and you really remember the first name but you don't remember the last name of that particular employee. And imagine you're going to your database and you have up to 10,000 rows, so it's going to be quite difficult for you to locate this guy's name. So you can use the or. So now you're guessing with either his first name or the department. So let's run this and see. And see, so this is the full details about John, and then since we said John or this, so we are hoping that either we'll see his full details with John, or we can also see his full details with department. Yeah, so the SQL will bring out everything on the departmental employees and also on John. So that's it on the or function. Now let's work with the and. The and is also important too. So select, okay, let's say first name, last name, salary from ABC employees where Okay, we have first name is equal to Frank and department. Okay, yeah, and department. Oh, no wonder. Excuse me. And department. Yeah, I was kind of confused because I was seeing red all over, so but I forgot to add under quote here, so always remember to add this quote. And department equal to IT. You see, now in this case, I'm also looking for somebody whose first name is Frank, and then I'm telling the SQL that I'm sure of his department, that his department is IT. You see, but for the, or like I'm just guessing that either one of these two, but this one I'm telling the SQL that I know his first name is Frank and his department is IT, so I was sure of that. Yes, so I was sure of that. So that is what the AND can do for you. With the AND function, you're sure of what you're saying, that I know Frank is the first name and then department is IT, but here you're just guessing. So let's run this and see. Yeah, so we are right. So Frank, you see, so yeah, so that's what the where clause can do for you. So now finally on the where clause, let's work with the wildcard. So select, okay, let's say everything from ABC where should I use first name first? Okay, your last name like quote should I use? Okay, yes, I think somebody with, yeah, so select everything from our table via last name like. So this, whenever you see like, just know that the person is working with a wildcard. So now what this means is that go through our data, everything, and then on the last name column look for any name that starts with S and then bring out everything on that person. So if there is a last name that starts with S, the SQL should bring it out for us. So let's run this and see. Yeah, so we have last name that starts with S, which is Smith. So this is everything on Smith. Yeah, so again, the wildcard is super helpful. Let's say you have tons of rows and you're looking for a particular customer, and you know there are times that you might not remember the person's name, but if you can see list of options, you can be able to remember or recall. So now let's say, okay, I don't know if it's something somewhere, or but I'm sure that the person's name started with S. So I can use the wildcard and say, okay, go through our last name column, anybody's name that starts with S, bring out all the names for me. You see, so assuming we have more than, let's say we have 5 names that starts with S, the SQL will bring the 5 out, and then you can be able to choose the one you're looking for. So you can see it's very, very helpful. Okay, so now you can, now the opposite of this is just for you to clean the percentage sign here and bring it here. So now this one is saying any name that ends with S, yeah, you should bring it out. But I don't think we have any name that ends with S. Like, I don't know, but that's just what it means. So here, over here starts with S, while here is any name that ends with S. Yes, so that's it on where clause. So now let's go to the group by clause. So select. Now the group by clause is used to group rules based on one or more calculations, and most of the time they work with aggregate functions. So this group by helps to group our informations into identical order. So now, okay, let me bring out our table and show what I'm talking about from ABC. Now, okay, we have different departments here, right? So if I'm to group all these employees based on department, now what the SQL will do is that the SQL will look for everybody under sales and group them under sales, everybody under marketing, group them under marketing, everybody on IT, everybody on HR, everybody on finance, and group them in their various departments. So that's what the group by helps us to do. So okay, now let's say we want to know which department have the highest salary. So select everything. Okay, no, select okay department, then comma, max salary as max salary from ABC. What's going on? Max salary ABC employees group by department. Okay, so now we are saying group everything by department, but we want to see the department with the highest salary in. Yes, so let's run this and see. Yes, so finance $80,000. Yes, so I think finance is the highest on the list. So now, but like I said, we are grouping it by each department. So this is their highest earners. So in finance, 80K is the highest, while HR is 60, IT is 70. How come sales is the least? I can't believe this. Yes, so that's what the group by can do for you. But let me quickly show you something about the group by. So select department from okay group by department. Now before I run this whole queries, I'll just run this too. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You see, so these are all the, so we have 20 departments, right? Yeah, but now let me show you what the group by what the group by clause can do. See, now they've grouped them into, now we just have 4 now. So yeah, you can see that's what the group by clause can do for you. So now all the finance now are are under one finance, all the HR are under one HR, and the rest. So guys, that's it on the group by clause. Yeah, you can, like I said, you can use with the aggregate function. So now let's say we want to get the average salary by each department. See, yeah, please ignore this max salary, I didn't omit it, but see, this is the average for each department. Yes, so you can also use the count, the mean, and with the group by. So now lastly, let's talk about the order by. So the order by is simply used to sort our rows. So you sort your rows in ascending or descending order. It's super helpful. So let's say you're working with the data that has to do with figures, yeah, and you want to know, let's say, the highest earners downward, yeah, instead of you looking through your SQL, the order by clause can help you and sort the data from descending to ascending order or ascending to descending order. So let's just see what we can do with it. So select, okay, everything from, let me see, okay, no, let's use first name, last name, okay, let's just add salary, order by first name. Now before I run this whole thing, let me just run this and show you. So John is first, because of why? Because of the employee ID. So the SQL will use the employee ID to automatically sort our data for us. But now let's use the order by clause and sort our data. So Alice is now first because I'm sorting from A to Z. So now let's change it to this. So now we're starting from Z to A. Yes, so Sarah is now first. So yeah, that's how powerful the order by clause is. So okay, let's quickly sort for our salary. Now let's start with figures and see from ABC employee, order by salary, so let's go. So we're starting from the highest to the lowest. So 80, 90, sorry, 78,000, 77,000. Yeah, so that's it. So guys, that's it on today's video. Yeah, you can download the data and practice more on your SQL skills. Remember, like I said, these are the core foundations you have to understand. You have to understand this syntax I've used today, because they will really help you. I think about 80% of what you'll be doing on SQL, you have to use this key concept I've used today. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. See you on our next video.